Stop by and take a look at the 2012 Fusion. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control system, fog lights. Inside you'll find leather upholstery, heated seats, Bluetooth, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, dual power seats, cruise control, child safety locks, sync, adjustable headrests. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.